A year ago, I was building anything I could think of: apps, websites, random ideas that sounded exciting at 2 in the morning. Projects like Notion, Roar, whatever felt interesting enough to keep me awake for another few hours. And honestly, I'm grateful for every single one of them because those projects taught me something that took me a long time to understand. Back then, I thought building a startup meant building software. Today, I think building software is probably the easy part. The hard part is understanding people, understanding markets, understanding where value is actually created. Over the last year, my life has changed in almost every way. I moved to the United States. I switched from engineering to finance. I stopped looking at businesses from the outside and started trying to understand how they actually work, how capital flows, how companies grow, how deals are made, how value is measured, how opportunities are recognized long before everyone else sees them. Somewhere in that process, my ambition changed. I don't want to build random projects anymore. I want to build products that become useful inside real industries, products that solve expensive problems, products that professionals actually rely on. Because at the end of the day, software isn't valuable because it has great code. It's valuable because someone can't imagine doing their job without it. That's the standard now. The coding, that's just a tool. AI is another tool. Finance is a framework for understanding the world. Everything points back to the same thing: creating value. And over the last few months, one industry has completely captured my attention: private equity, business acquisitions, the business of buying businesses. Think about that for a second. The more I learned about that world, the more I realized something. Every acquisition starts with understanding a business. That process is incredibly analytical, but it's also incredibly fragmented. Information lives in dozens of different places. Research takes hours, sometimes days. And that's where I think technology, and especially AI, can help. So, this marks the beginning of a new chapter. This project is called JIBA. You're gonna hear that name a lot. Just like No Shoe represented one chapter of my life, JIBA represents the next one. But this isn't another startup experiment. It's the first product I'm building with a completely different mindset. Starting with the market, before I write features, I want to understand the people who could actually use them. I'm reading, researching, I'm talking to professionals, learning how acquisitions actually happen, trying to gain insights on how they do it, what their processes are, the problems that are worth solving. Because anybody can build software now. Seriously, let's take that in. AI has changed that forever. If you have enough patience, almost anyone can turn an idea into application. The value isn't in writing code, it's in knowing what deserves to be built. And that's the skill that I've been trying to develop. Jiba is my first attempt at doing exactly that. At its core, it's been designed as an intelligent acquisition research platform, a system that helps investors, operators, and potential buyers evaluate businesses through the lenses that actually matter. Instead of spending hours pulling information from scattered sources, my vision is to create a workspace where meaningful business analysis becomes faster. A year ago, I was documenting projects. Now I'm documenting the process of becoming someone capable of building products that create real value in the real world. You will still see the code, the late nights, the whiteboards, the mistakes, but you'll also see the research, the conversations, the networking, the market analysis, the meetings, the thinking behind every decision. Because that's where products are actually built, not inside an editor, inside an understanding of the people you're building for. This isn't just a series about creating an app, it's a series about entering an industry, learning it, from the ground up, building credibility inside it, and hopefully building something that eventually earns a place in it. This is JIBA, Chapter 1. Let's build something that matters.